Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're wondering what in the wiggin is going on, I just filmed a tutorial. I'm not sure if it's gonna be a tutorial or just gonna be a like see me transform. I was really obsessed with this Kim K photo she done for her newest launch of her makeup, and I really wanted to recreate it, and Kim K sure don't got no platinum undercut, so we had to throw on the wig. But moving on, I want to talk to you guys about Mented Cosmetics. I do have a video on them before about their collection overall, as far as their lipsticks, lip glosses, and nail polishes that are all for grown-ups, and they're all nude. So their specialty is in nude lipsticks, lip glosses, and even nude nail polishes. So they've been coming out with more and more launches, more and more products, and I'm really excited to see where they're gonna go with this. I absolutely love their formulation on their lipsticks. Their lip glosses are amazing. They're tinted. They have they're not sticky. They're just the perfect right amount of gloss. It's not too overwhelming and it's not subtle at all. The lipsticks are a very creamy, non-matte, non-shiny. It's like a satin almost. I love their lipsticks. They're super long wearing, and I just love how moisturizing they are on the lips. And they have one of my favorite nail polishes. That's the only nail polish I use, and I think it's their pinky nail polish. But if you are interested, check out that video. Sorry if the lighting goes in and out. It's like later in the day, and it's kind of like, is it going to be dark? Is it going to be bright? It doesn't know what it's going to do. So excuse the lighting. And then literally I start talking about lighting and my ring light goes out. So all natural light over here. What was I saying? New products, a lot of new launches. One of them was their eyeshadow palette, which is huge. They're going from lips to eyes now. And they just have these amazing nude everyday shades. This is their everyday shadow palette. This is actually what I used in this video to recreate. I've been using this palette a lot. The pigmentation is insane. It lasts so good and it blends like a dream. It literally blends so well, and I'm obsessed with these like metallic-y colors here. Like this color is definitely metallic, and then this brown burgundy situation is just so luxurious. I'm obsessed. Well, after this launch of their everyday eyeshadow palette, they came out with their summer collection, which included highlighters, because nowadays your brand has to have a highlighter. So they came out with these 3 liquid highlighters, which I will swatch for you. And then they came out with 3 new lip glosses. So they look just like that. These are actually more now to a color side, because they are still pretty nude, but I'm just loving the summery, I was gonna say summery scents. The summery pigments to them. You've got your #1 cran for your cranberry, and then you have your Coralition. It's a coral color, and then you have Pink About Me. That's another thing. I love their names for their different products. Like, the names are just adorable. So these are the 3 lip glosses for grown-ups. I'll swatch these for you first before we get into the highlighters. And you can see how pigmented they are. Swatch of color, or you could build it up for more pigmentation. The next one is Coralition, and it looks just like that. It's a beautiful coral color. Then we have Pink About Me, which is just a really soft, light pink. So these are like perfect summer staples, but I think they're even gonna work so well into fall. I'm loving these for fall. I think these are gonna be, and this is just like almost an everyday nude. So no matter what season it is, it's gonna be great. So the first one here is Glow On. This is a Glow On highlighter. This is the bronzy shade. Classic Gold is the Glow Out shade. And then you have the Glow Up Rose Gold. And you can see how beautiful and metallic-y and just bright they are. And of course you're gonna work these into the skin, and you see how pigmented they are though? A little bit is gonna take you such a long way. Even right now, I'm wearing Glow Out. So that's the classic golden shade. And that's what I'm wearing right now. I have it on my cheeks, the tip of my nose, I have it above my brow, my chin has it. I kind of bathed in it. But you could see how freaking amazing that looks. And it doesn't, you can obviously control the pigmentation. So I'm obsessed with their newest highlighters. I'm obsessed with their lip glosses. And just to show you their lipsticks, this is Peach Please. They are such a beautiful creamy lipstick. I love that they're, you know, trying to help every girl out there or every guy out there find their perfect nude shade. On my lips right now, I am wearing Peach Please, and I actually mixed Coalition and Number One Crayon. So I have all these on my lips right now, and my lips just feel super moisturized, and they're long wearing because I've had this on for a long time already. Trying to film for you guys, trying to take photos, you know, doing the whole YouTuber thing, and my lips have not budged. So you guys, I definitely recommend that you head over to the Mented Would Be Perfect. I think they know everything there is to know about nudes, and just I feel like foundations is definitely their next step. Let's see what they come up with. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll leave all the links down below. I'll leave a link to this video as well, and I will see you guys in the next one.